Did you visit the Statue of Liberty at the weekend?
No, of course not. If I lived in New York, I might have gone, but I live on a different continent.
I thought you lived in New York.
No, I live in the same city as you.
Oh. Then why do we only talk via video conference?
I prefer it that way. When I get bored of the conversation, I can simply hang up.
When I was younger, I wanted to move to New York.
Why didn't you go?
I don't know really. I suppose I just never got round to it. If I had moved to New York, my life would be very different now.
In what way?
Well, I could go to the Statue of Liberty every weekend.
You do know that the Statue of Liberty is not the only thing in New York, don't you?
Yeah, of course.
In this video, we're looking at mixed conditionals. We use mixed conditionals to talk about the past and the present. We use the second conditional in one part of the sentence and the third conditional in the other part of the sentence. If you're not sure how to use the second and third conditionals, watch the videos which are linked in the description to this video. You saw this mixed conditional sentence in the conversation with my assistant. If I lived in New York, I might have gone. This sentence uses the second conditional in the conditional clause to show an imaginary situation in the present, and uses the third conditional in the main clause to show a result in the past. You also saw this example. If I had moved to New York, my life would be very different now. This sentence uses a third conditional in the conditional clause to show a condition in the past, and uses the second conditional in the main clause to show the result in the present. If you can use the second conditional and the third conditional, it's easy to form a mixed conditional. Take the conditional clause from a second conditional and the main clause from a third conditional, or take the conditional clause from a third conditional and the main clause from a second conditional. So remember, you can use a mixed conditional to talk about a condition in the past with a result in the present, or to talk about a condition in the present with a result in the past. Here are some more examples. If I hadn't lost my wallet, I would pay for dinner. If the car hadn't broken down, we'd be in Scotland by now. If I were richer, I would have bought the boat. If you could speak Spanish, they would have offered you the job. Now it's your turn. Write your mixed conditional examples in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.